Good evening guys and welcome back to my channel. It's Mrs. TG here and tonight I'm going to be unboxing the Oral-B iO Series 8 Special Edition. Now I did actually buy this from Mr. Tech Giant. I was hoping it was going to clean out his potty mouth, and at 160 quid I hope it does. Now taking a look around the box, we have AI brushing recognition, smart pressure sensor, 2-minute timer, and a magnetic charger, and this one is in the black onyx. It has 6 smart modes. It also has a 3-hour quick charge and also a battery percentage indicator on the screen. It also has artificial intelligence, recognises your brushing style and guides to cover all your teeth so you never miss a spot. It has an interactive colour display which signals vital information like brushing modes, head replacement, and gives you a smile when you're done. Right, let's turn this box around because there's something definitely worth taking note of, and that is you've got a 30-day risk-free trial, so if it doesn't clean that potty mouth, you can send it back. Right, so let's get it unboxed. It's a little bit tough getting it out there, but as you can see, presented with some nice pictures there. Very smart looking. Try and get it out there. Oh, there we go. So it's just like a flat bottom underneath, look. I know my old toothbrush that I've got, it's got a hole underneath normally where it sits onto the charger, but this one's obviously a flat charging dock, I'm guessing. Right, we have charger. That's the box for the spare heads to be taken away in, if you like, if you're going away somewhere or something, or just to keep them nice and clean. And there is a head there. That looks beefy, that does. Look at the size of the bristles on that. There we go. That'll be the case for it. There we go. Take a look at this case. Got a rubberized bottom on it there. It's quite nice. And that's magnetic by the feels of it. Yeah. You can hear that. It's quite strong, that is. It's quite good. So you've got your one side of your pocket there, and then your other side of your pocket. That's rubber by the feels of it. I'm guessing they just stand on there once it's out of the packet. So we'll just pop the head out there. Guessing we just pop that on the end like that, I'm presuming. And there we go. See your charger. Got your shaver plug there like you normally do with a traditional electric toothbrush. There's your charging dock. Pop that down on the side there like that. I'm presuming that just pops on that, so that's magnetic. Literally it. There we go. So what I did is what the instructions show, which is I turned it on, I selected the language, and I've got to step of doing to the Oral-B app. I've not yet downloaded it to my phone, so I will do it now. So I'm going to install it. There we go. All right, okay, so it's now telling me to press the power button. There we go. Ah, there we go. Found. So this is the next step. So get ready for a truly revolutionary, I can't even say it, I'm not even going to go there. A good clean. Right, let's brush. Right, let's turn the toothbrush on. Right, so we've got a hello and a smile. So like you've got your daily clean. Looks like a sensitive setting. Whitening. Gum care. Intense. And super sensitive. And then you've got your settings. To select things, you've got to press that button there. Then it's selected it. And if you want to change, say the whitening, select it, whitening. I'm going to turn the brush on, see what it's like. Presuming you press that one. Oh, there we go. So we've got a timer going there. We've got the timer on the app there going. If you can see the blue light starting to count down, should we put it onto my hand? Oh, see, it's changing colour for the different pressures. Oh, red. It's kind of lighting up on my phone as well, red. Red's, well, reduced pressure look. I'm guessing this is potentially showing you where you're brushing to on your mouth. Obviously I'm having to do it on my hand. I can't show my teeth with me brushing it on camera. That's pretty intense, that is, on my fingers. Oh, we've got half a smile there because I'm guessing we haven't finished our minutes that we've meant to be brushing our teeth for. I don't know if it's meant to be 3 minutes or no that you're meant to brush it for. I'm not too sure. But it's going to end my session in that amount of time because I've not finished it. So it's presuming I have finished. Oh, there we go. Oh, you won a medal. I shouldn't be getting a medal because I didn't finish my brushing time. So it all looks very, very swanky. Oh, let's see, because I stopped it short there, I've got a sad face. That's interesting. Doesn't like me because I've not done it properly. So you've got your battery percentage there, look. So we're at 42% because obviously we've not charged it yet. This is just what the toothbrush came with. Right, obviously we won our medal. Did you have a gum bleeding? So look, if you can see, it shows everything on there of what exactly happened, how long I was brushing for. I only covered 42% of my hand, which is meant to be my teeth, and 4 seconds of overpress of when obviously it was coming up red on the screen, saying to basically lighten the load. You didn't hit all the areas you needed to, so let's do better. So you can add to your routines there if you've flossed or tongue cleaned, rinsed. There we go, we've got a demonstration there of exactly what I've done. Look, 1 medal. I don't think I deserved a medal for that because it said I didn't do it all. From what I can see of it, it's a nice brush. It's very simple to use. As I'm scrolling through the settings there again. There we go, you've got your Bluetooth. Say it's enabled. You've got your ring light because you can change the colours on your ring light as well. See your language. Oh look, oh yeah, there we go, you've got factory reset there as well. I'm pretty sure it just goes into standby on its own. You don't have to turn it off. So if you just leave it to stand there, it will just go off on its own. I'm guessing a battery power saving mode until the next time you use it. So I'm pretty sure that's everything I think I've covered on this toothbrush for you guys tonight. I hope you liked the video. If you do, if you could give me a thumbs up and a subscription, I'd be very grateful. I'm still pretty new to this, so don't be too harsh on me. I think I've covered all the stuff I can cover. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you again on the next video. Bye for now.